Hey guys, so look at this new toy that I just got in the mail. So it's from the Bad Peach and I'll be showing you how it looks. So this is how it looks once you take it out of the package. It comes with a control remote, so that's really nice. And then it comes with this, and it has a base. So it comes with the control remote, the charger, and then it has a suction base. But this one is like super nice because it's like really strong, and it has the base. So all you need to do is just like connect it and then just twist it, and it's gonna be in there. So yeah, once you twist it, you can just suction it, and then you can move it from like any kind of like angle. So that's great. So it has 9 different modes for vibration, and all you need to do is just turn it on. And then once it's on, you need to press this little thing, and that's gonna be different modes. So yeah, if you were looking to buy something new, I think this is gonna be great. And I love that it actually has the control remote, so like you don't need to use your hands. So yeah, let me know what you guys think.